Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. We've got some really good news regarding your theory test. There's going to be a lot more slots available according to DVSA. So we will send this email. Before we start, don't forget you can always check out my site fmdrivingschool.co.uk or even fmdrivingschool.com. And you can always go to, here we go, Learner's Guide if you want some updates about your theory test or just how the theory test works, the booking of the theory test, changing your theory test. We've got loads of questions, hazard perceptions, loads of additional help in order to help you pass your theory test. So go check out fmdrivingschool.com. So going back to what the DVSA has sent, let's go through it. Theory test recovery update. So the new DVSA chief executive Loveday Friday wrote to you on the 25th of March to set out our commitments to safely reduce the backlog of tests. So let's see what they're going to say regarding the backlogs of the test. So extending theory test centers opening hours from Monday 10th of May to Wednesday 30th of June. So May, June. So about a month or just slightly over a month. Will extend the opening hours at most theory test centers in England and Wales where conditions allow. Typically, centers will be open earlier and close later in the evening. For example, some centers will be open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and some might be open on Saturdays and Sundays where they were previously closed. This will create an extra 300,000 extra theory test appointments. So again, amazing news for those of you who are waiting to get the theory test out the way, and because of the queues, now you're gonna see a lot more slots available. Let me see what they're saying here. Opening 10 temporary larger theory test centers in England. More great news. On Monday 12th of April we started to open 10 temporary larger theory test centers. Though these 10 temporary centers will create a minimum of 120,000 extra appointments each month. The centers will be in, here we go, Cambridge, Huddersfield, Leeds. There will be 2 temporary centers. London, Docklands, there will be 2 temporary centers. London in Holborn, Manchester, Southwell. These will be 2 temporary centres, and Wolverhampton. The full address can be got through the link gov.co.uk. Taking a test at one of these temporary centres. Okay, these temporary larger theory test centres will work slightly differently to normal theory test centres. Let's see why. Some sites will have up to 25 candidates testing at any one time. Robust COVID secure measures have been put in place to ensure the safety of candidates and staff, including social distancing at least 1 meter apart from other people, protective, transparent screens at receptive desks, providing hand sanitizer to use on arrival during the test and when candidates leave the test centers, cleaning workstation, including computers and headphones before every test. Staff will wear face covering, gloves, okay. Candidates must come into the test centers alone to help with social distancing. Okay, good. So it looks like really good news in terms of their theory test. So once the theory is out the way, you can then apply for your practical test, because obviously some of you students are already maybe done your lessons and really want to get the practical out the way but can't, or maybe your theory test has run out and you need the theory out the way in order to book the practical driving test. So really good news. Do look out online. As I said, you can go to my site. We've got the links. So home, just go to Learner's Guide, go through my site. You can see book your theory test. So we give you the full links, so that way you don't go to these rogue driving test sites out there that charge you extra in order to book a driving test. With myself, we give you the proper link, so you only pay for the DVSA fee, which is about £23. So here's the link here. As I said, there's all these dodgy sites out there that provide you with a link, but then they charge an additional like £20 to £25 fee, even £30 fee for essentially doing what you're literally about to do, which is go to the site itself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with FM Driving School, and do check us out fmdrivingschool.co.uk. We're also on TikTok, so follow us. We've got over 1 million views, so hopefully you guys can enjoy that too. Thank you for watching.